What's up guys, this is Jake, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a basic Google Ads remarketing campaign. So once you're getting traffic to your website, whether it's from Google, Facebook, wherever the traffic is, it could be completely organic. Setting up Google display remarketing is going to be a good way to go ahead and make some additional revenue off of that traffic. So in order to go ahead and set this up, the first thing we're going to have to do is enter our Google Ads Manager here, and we're going to have to go ahead and set up our remarketing tag so that way Google can go ahead and start creating the audiences for us to remarket to. So if you're not familiar with remarketing is basically just showing ads to people that have previously visited your website. So it's very warm traffic, so it normally converts a lot higher than cold traffic. So what you need to do is go up here to Tools and Settings, and then come here under Shared Library and click on Audience Manager. And then once we're in here, we can go ahead and go down here to Audience Sources, and then we're going to see Google Ads tag right here, and then we can click Setup Tag. So now we just need to go ahead and under the remarketing section, we're going to create the Google Ads tag data source. So we can go ahead and only collect general website visit data to show ads to our website visitors, or we can collect data on specific actions people performed on our site. So this could be data based on like add to carts and different things like that. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep this as simple as possible. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick with only collect general website visit data. So we're gonna click on that and then click Save and Continue. And then we're going to have to go ahead and install the tag on our site. So I'm going to click Install the tag yourself, and we're going to go ahead and get this global site tag right here. So we can see that we just need to copy this tag down here, and we need to go ahead and paste it between the head tags on every page of our website. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it with Shopify, because Shopify is the platform I use the most. However, if you're using like WooCommerce, WordPress, Squarespace, Weebly, it's all pretty much the same setup where you just put it in between your head tags here. So for Shopify, you come over here to Online Store and Themes, and then once this loads up, we click on Actions, and then we click on Edit Code. And then we come down here to theme.liquid, and then we go ahead and look for the head tags. We can see the head tag starts right here, and I'm going to scroll down and see here is the bottom of the head tag right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right at the bottom of the head tag. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in, and then click Save. So also for Shopify, there's one other place that we want to go ahead and put it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Settings, and then click on Checkout, and then scroll down here to Additional Scripts, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here as well. And you can see I just pasted it right below the Google Tag Manager right here and the Google Purchase Conversion tag right here. And if you want to know how to set that up, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for a video I made on that. So now I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and now we're going to go back over here, and the tag is going to be set up. So I'm going to click Continue, and now we click Done. So now at this point, we would have to go ahead and wait for our audience to be populated. So we would have to wait for Google to go ahead and track and gather a lot of the data from people visiting our website. But right now I'm going to go ahead and just show you the next step once you already have the audience data. So I'm going to go ahead and come back here to the home screen of Google Ads and click on New Campaign. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pick a sales campaign for our goal, and then for the campaign type I'm going to pick display because that's the most common for remarketing campaigns. And then I'm going to go ahead here and pick a standard display campaign, and then paste the site URL in right here, and then click Continue. And then now over here we have our campaign name, so I could just name this remarketing, and then I'm going to go ahead and keep this on United States, keep the language at English, and then I'm going to go ahead and keep the bidding focused on conversions since it's a remarketing campaign. And then right here for the budget, I'll just go ahead and start it out at $5 a day. And then right now here we can go ahead and look at audiences. So for audiences, I'm going to go ahead and head over to browse, and then I'm going to click on how they have interacted with your business. So you can see this is the remarketing and similar audiences. So then I would come down here to website visitors and then all visitors right here, and then that would be done. So right now I am targeting everybody that has visited my website. So this is what we are looking for. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here and leave all of this the same. And then now that we are down here, we just need to go ahead and add different images and logos. So as far as images go for display, there's going to be a lot of different sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a few of those now. So these are the most common sizes for display ads. So we have mobile sizes right here. So 300 by 250, 320 by 50, 320 by 100, 250 by 250, 200 by 200. And then we also have the most common sizes for a computer. So we can go ahead and see those here. So I would recommend starting out with the ones that overlap, so the ones that are common on mobile and on computers. So you can see the 300 by 250 is on both, and so is 250 by 250 and 200 by 200. So those are definitely good ones to start with, but eventually you would want to scale out to have different sizes for every one of the most common sizes right here. And if you're looking for a way to go ahead and create ad images with these different dimensions, I would recommend using Canva, because if you come over here to create a design, you can just click custom dimensions, and let's say you put in 250 by 250, and you could click create design, and then the editor would go ahead and open up, and you could create your ads for that specific size, and then you could go on to different sizes and do that. And if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to go ahead and create these ad images, you can go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. So in this specific case, I'm going to just go ahead and upload a sample image real quick. So we can also have it scan our website for images and logos, so we can see that right now it has scanned the website that I linked in, and I can go ahead and use some of these. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use one of these, and I'm going to select the 1 ratio here, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. So now that we've uploaded that one in, we can see that images and logos, we need at least 1 landscape image and 1 square image. So a landscape image is roughly 16 by 9 dimensions. So now I'm going to go ahead and add one of those as well. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just upload my own image. So now that I've uploaded this image, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to select the ratio so we can see that this is more of a landscape image right here. So we're going to want to use this ratio, but we do not want to use the square ratio, because we can see it's going to go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to unselect this and keep this one selected here. So I'm going to select this 1 ratio, and I'm going to click save, and now you can see that we meet the requirements for that right here. And then down here at the bottom, we can just go ahead and add in different headlines and such. So if we were going to go ahead and put in a headline for this, we could just put something like put in some type of retargeting line right here, and then we can add different headlines and different descriptions as well. So you can add a description whether it's about your product or about your business as a whole, and then we can go ahead and put our business name right here. So I'll go ahead and put the business name of the sample store. So now we just need to go ahead and add the long headline. So for the sake of keeping the example short, I'll go ahead and put this same thing in here. And then for the description, I will put come back and So I'll go ahead and put that for the description, and then if I click create campaign here, we can wait for it to load, and then we can see congratulations, our campaign is ready. And then I can click on continue to campaign, and we can see that now our campaign is up and it is good to go. So that is how to go ahead and create a basic display remarketing campaign on Google. I would recommend, like I said, going ahead and eventually creating sizes for each one of these most common display advertising sizes right here as well, and I'll go ahead and leave a link to this page in the description as well. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.